economic policy, solid economic pushback vis-a-vis China. Trump can only talk about it. Narendra Modi has actually done it. Trump talks big vis-a-vis Xi Jinping. Narendra Modi has the guts to take them on. And yes, it takes guts to take on the Chinese directly. And that is exactly what our government has now done. It has today issued 2 laws, and here it is, viewers. It's Government of India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, FDI Policy Division, a press note number 3, which innocuously many people would have ignored, but here is why this is so important and we are talking about this tonight. This new rule makes it impossible for Chinese economic vultures and Chinese business predators from gobbling up Indian companies which may be in a period of distress during COVID. This rule, put out by this 2-page note by the Commerce Ministry today, is the single greatest act of economic nationalism by any government across the world today. Other governments are beginning to think about acting. I have a whole list of countries across the world who are thinking about tightening FDI rules. Italy, Spain, Australia. Germany is thinking about protecting itself from foreign takeovers. Parts of Canada are taking measures to protect the local economy. The US is focusing on protectionism, but we are very direct. We've made it very clear today, any Chinese investment in India will go through special approval, which means no automatic rule. This is a game changer in the way a country defends its economic interest, and we should all be proud that our government has had the foresight and the courage to implement this. That's debate number 1 today, viewers. The special